Hey everyone, so these are the 5 tools that you need for doing the safety of a vehicle. There is a little story behind this why I want to teach you how to do the safety is because I went to a shop where the employer asked me, do you know how to do the safety of a car? I said no, and that's why I was not hired in that shop, and later on I learned how to do the safety. So after watching this video you can easily tell your employer that you know how to do it. So first of all, you have to confirm there is no engine light, airbag light or any kind of light except the tire pressure light on the dashboard, and then you lift up the car. Check if all the tires are in good condition and they have minimum 3 mm tread or not. Remove all the wheels and then check the suspension. You can watch YouTube videos how you can check the suspension. You have to check the shocks top to bottom. You have to check the sway bar links, sway bar bushings, and then you check the inner tie rod, outer tie rod. You check the ball joint and all kind of stuffs, rubber boots. You can watch all the videos available on the YouTube for those jobs. You also have to check if the rotors and pads are in good condition. If any of these things are not in good condition, you have to change it and then you can go for the safety of the vehicle. So this tool measure the thickness of the rotor. You just have to place the two jaws, set it into instead of inches, and squeeze the two jaws. This tool help you to measure the thickness of the brake pad. I will show you how to use it. You know that this tool is used to put air in the tires and it tells you the correct air pressure as well. But remember, for the safety inspection, your tire pressure must be in kPa, not PSI. This tool is used to measure the tread depth of the tire. On this screen, we are going to use 6-digit employer ID and password from your employer. Once you hit the login button, these boxes will tick themselves and you just have to press the continue. If your vehicle have a license plate, then write down whatever is written on your license plate. If no plate, then click on the no and click the vehicle picture without the license plate. Remember, the wheels should be removed. Click the continue button. It is optional to click the 5 pictures of the condition of the vehicle all around, but if it's optional, then who cares? Now we have to click 3 pictures of the barcode of the VIN number. Your VIN number might be located here, here or here. Now we have to scan that barcode. If you cannot, then you have to enter the VIN number manually. But I got lucky this time. You have to wait for a couple of seconds. After your coffee break, you have to enter the vehicle gross weight in kgs, not pounds. It is written over here. After entering the weight, click over here. Then you can see the continue button. After continue, click on the pass and then you click the odometer pictures. Make sure the kilometers are visible on the odometer. Enter the kilometers yourself as well, then click continue. Enter the odometer reading and click continue. Now before clicking OK, make sure your OBD connection is connected to the OBD port. Make sure this green light is blinking. Wait for 10 seconds. Click the continue button. Click continue. Click yes. Place your transmission in neutral. Start the engine and click the engine started button. Give it few seconds. Click continue. Now turn off the engine. Remove your OBD scanner and click continue. Click continue.
No! God! Oh, no! No!
Enter the fuel tank, quarter, half or 3/4, whatever, and then number of axles on your car. Enter the number of tires per axle and then tell them is it disc brake or drum brake. We have already inspected so many things, so just click the quick select and then submit. Now we have to click on disc brake system and components. Click on disc rotor thickness. Select the wheel you are working on. Now we have to click the picture and enter rotor thickness. This is how you click the picture. Your camera will focus automatically. Now you just need to enter the thickness of the rotor and click yes. This is rear rotor. It is always thinner than the front one. You might need to hold this tool like this. When you are done measuring all the 4 wheels, just make sure you check everything just like this. Nothing is left and then click continue. Now we are going to measure the pad thickness just the same way in the same order. We are gonna use this to measure the pad thickness. You can click on the photo just to check if you are a good photographer or not. The things with the star needs a picture and then you have to click pass. Then continue. Now we come at the tires and wheels. First of all, we go to tire tread depth. We know the tire condition is good. Now just the same process. Axle 1 driver side. Click on the camera. Put the needle on the screen just like this to reset it and then press the yellow button. This is how your picture should be, clearly showing the tread depth. Our tread depth was 7 point something, so we will Select 7 here. After you are done with all the 4 tires, select pass, then click continue. Select pass for tire tread depth, and then we are going to the tire inflation pressure. Click on number 1. It's the same procedure again. From the sticker on the door, you have to check how much tire pressure is needed. Remember, it should be in kPa, not psi. The picture should be like this. Then you enter initial pressure and then final pressure. When you are done with all the 4 tires, then select pass and then click on continue. Continue again and then continue again. Now you just need the signature of your technician or your employer. This is your final result after the inspection.